Welcome back to another great guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Calendly for beginners. Here are the beginner-friendly steps to use Calendly on a Windows PC. First, open your web browser on Windows. Use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Go to calendly.com, type it in the address bar, and press enter. Click sign up. You can use your email or sign in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Set up your account. Click on the icon in the top right, then hit Profile. Enter your name, time zone, and time zone preferences, then hit Save Changes. Connect your calendar. On Login Preference, Calendly can sync with Google, Outlook, Office 365, or iCloud to check your availability. Go to my link, choose a Calendly link, your URL. For example, you can do calendly.com then your name. This is what you'll share with others. Then save it by clicking Save Changes. Create an event type. Now go to Home. Then click on Plus or New Event Type. And choose one-on-one, group, or collective meetings. So I choose one-on-one for now. Set meeting details. On the right panel, add the event name and duration. For example, 15 or 30 minutes. Then hit Create. Set your available days and times. Click on Availability. Then here, change your working hours and customize when people can book time with you. Then click Apply and click Save Changes to confirm. Save and share your link. Click Share and copy your Calendly link to send it via email, text, or website. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.